everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription. So, if for any reason you no longer want Canva Pro and need to cancel it, whether it's the trial you don't want to continue or the paid version you wish to cancel, here's what you need to do. First, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. You'll see a list of options. Click on Settings. Next, on the left side menu, locate Billing and Plans. Here, you'll find your subscription details. Click on the three dots next to your subscription. If you want to cancel it, select Cancel Plan. You'll see how much time you have left on your subscription. If you're sure you want to cancel, click on Continue Cancellation. Once you confirm the cancellation, you'll see a message confirming that your Canva Pro plan has been canceled. It will also mention the date until which you'll have access to Canva Pro. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.